Alright, this is my first video that's going to be going on my YouTube. We are going to be doing an oil change on the Mamalona. My bad, I'm still not used to keeping the mic on. We got right here all our essentials. Let me clip this on. Good enough. Alright. So, we got our high mileage oil. We got our oil filter. We got our jack stands. We got our jack. We got the oil pan. And we got the Mamalona. So first things first, we're gonna jack it up. We're gonna lift it up on the jack. No, actually, lies. First, you're gonna put wheel chucks on it. Make sure that bitch don't roll. Put the wheel chucks first, then jack it up, then loosen the oil drain plug, drain all the old oil out, cap that bitch, change the filter, put a new filter in. Then we're gonna fucking put new oil in the bitch, and then that's it. Should be fairly quick, but I'm recording with you guys. First time recording, I'm trying to do something, so kind of nervous. I might fuck shit up. I hope not though, hope not. So like I said, first video going up on my YouTube. This shit's also getting shared to the Instagram page. That truck has an Instagram page. Follow it at lasierra69. I'm gonna try to plug it in right here, put a little link. So follow the truck, and then I'm gonna try to put these videos on TikTok. I am recording with a new DJI little camera. I think it's called the Osmo Pocket 3. So it's pretty steady. And then I got the DJI mics right here. That's how you guys could hear this loud, crisp, beautiful voice of mine. And yeah, we're gonna get to it. Just wanna do a little intro, and then we're gonna put you guys here on the tripod and then get to it. We'll see what the fuck is up. Are you guys good there? Pretty solid. I could put you guys to like follow me around and shit, but I just want the truck centered. So we'll see what's up. Actually, I'll put an ND filter on you guys. It's kind of bright out there. I don't want that shit fucking with y'all. Give me one sec. I have all these little filters. Hopefully that will remove all the glare. You see how right here it's cooking, it's hella white. We do not want that, so just bear with me. Let's see what this does. Boom, shakalaka. Yeah, slightly better. Let's see, come off. Ah, better. Yeah, that shit cooking. You guys see that? You guys see the difference? Yeah, invest in some good quality equipment, guys. There you go. Ooh, that's better. Damn, I look dark though. Can't even see me, huh? Nah, that's too dark, fam. That's too dark. Oh. See, just a little one. Let's see what this does. You know what? This one's perfect. All right, this is what we're going with. That shit was like a little intro. We're gonna stop, and then you're just gonna see me running around all the truck. All right, I'm gonna grab you guys every now and then. Our goal is to make this video 10 minutes. So if there's a bunch of cuts, because this shit went too long. All right, peace. Step one, chuck the wheels. Make sure we don't roll anywhere. Grab the other bitch. There you go. Yeah, I didn't go nowhere. This thing, get your old jack. It's not supposed to happen. Tighten the bitch up. All right, so we set it up. As you guys can see, it's jacked up. We have our, right there, you can see them right there. Always put jack stands, even though you have your jack. You never know when accidents happen, especially if you're alone. So that's step one, the setup. You know, get your jacks, your jack stands, get all the supplies, all that good stuff, step one. Step two is getting the oil, your old oil out of the fucking truck. So for my specific truck, I have, woo, the cops are out. This is how you take your oil filter off. Put an extendo up on that bitch. Get your 3/8 ratchet up in that hole. And then boom, boom, boom. Take that bitch out. We need that, and then my oil drain plug is a 15 millimeter. So it's a little 15 millimeter Husky. We're gonna get in there and then drain it out. I'm gonna try to put you guys in there with me so you guys could see the oil get out and all that good shit. So this is what we're taking off. This is the oil drain plug right here. Fuck, it's not even on frame. That guy right there. Oh, too bad, so sad if you can't see it. That's the guy we're taking off. Remember to turn your ratchet to off. Just got to get it loose. And that's what your little extendo's for. And then I'm gonna make it rain. Just getting this. Here it goes. Yay. Oh shit. Can I see all that chocolate? Oh yeah, this bitch needed it. She dirty. Is the new filter. There's the size, all that good stuff. Homie at AutoZone recommended it. Here it is. So we take this little wrapper off. Shit, if I can, with my greasy ass fingers. Take the cover off. Get your little finger. Get some of this aceite. And just grease the bitch up. You know, not a lot, not a bit. But dude, that's old oil, bitch. Don't give a fuck. Just lubricate it.
Oh, you gotta give him that huck too and spit on that thing.
There you go. Oh yeah, put a little more up with that bitch. All right. And then I'm gonna pause it right here.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Here at AutoZone, hopefully trying to get the right fucking filter. All right, let's see how it goes. So we're looking for an S3387AX. I don't want to ask for help because then they'll give me the wrong one anyway. Gotta find it myself and then it's my fault. S3387AXL. I think the XL just means extended life. And this is the one I need. So I got the right one. I told him, like, bro, I came in here earlier and you gave me the fucking wrong one. So, like, what's up? He's like, oh, well, Chevys, they tend to this, that, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, well, that shit's full of fucking oil. Can I return it? And then he was like, we're not supposed to, but yeah, that was our mistake. So yeah, just wipe it off and bring the receipt and you could return it. I mean, shit, fuck it. I got the extended life. The extended life. So this one was $10. The other one I'm gonna return it. They'll give me $5. But hey, $5 is $5. So damn, verga, estoy bien sucio la verga, no mames. What the fuck is this? Anyways, we'll be back under the truck. I'm recording with the iPhone right now. We're gonna go back there, put the mic on, and record with the other camera. All right, peace out. See you on the other side. All right, so round two. That hole was too big. That hole looks smaller. SS3 S33878XL. So right one. All right, back to where we were. Take the old one out. You grab your new one. Lubricate the bitch. Spit on it. Get a little wet. All right. Now we put it back in. And hopefully this one fits. Oh yeah. Like butter. Put that in. Grab your ratchet. Turn that bitch on. And then just give it a little tight. All right, it's on there, nice and snug. That's what you want. And then we're gonna put the plug back in. Shit. Oh, the plug, where's my fucking 15 mil? Put that bitch in, it's already drained. Finger tight. Look at that fucking. Do you see the 15 millimeter? That shit's lost in the sauce. Let's get another one. Grab the new 15 millimeter stubby. Turn it on. Just get it a little tight. It's on there. Put the plug back in. Oh, I found it, guys. Here it is. Well, we gotta fucking always have a backup, guys. Always have a backup. So you plug this bitch in. And yeah, that's pretty much done down here. All you gotta do now is put some oil in it. And you're good. So, you know, I'll take all this shit off. And the final step, adding oil up here. Whoops, that fell. Then you get your funnel in there. You get your oil. Say 5W30, high mileage. I'm actually gonna put you guys on the tripod so you guys can see this part. Here you can see our oil is the 5W30. That's 5W30. So I'm gonna put all 5 quarts and a tiny bit more from the little one. All right, here goes nothing. All right, so we put the oil cap back on, and that was literally the last step. Just cap it. We're cleaning up our mess down there. Got a bunch of shit, but it's ready to go. Let's fire her up for y'all. All right. Al 100. Ready to fucking go, guys.